Hello fellow Shopify enthusiasts, today going to be demonstrating Shopify Payments, your getaway to hassle-free transactions. I'm Steven and welcome to the super simple tutorial covering all the payments method into Shopify. So let's first of all access Shopify Payment settings. Now, accessing the Shopify Payment setting, it's the heartbeat of your store financial transactions. So head over to your Shopify dashboard once you are signed in. So you're going to be seeing something like this. I'm going to hit into home first of all. And then what you want to do is to focus and spot the payment section directly. Once you are signed in, let's go into settings into the left part. And once you clicked enter, what you want to do is to locate payments. So I choose payment section. And as you can see here, we are the configuration of the Shopify payments. Now, once you are here into the payment section, it's time to enable the configure Shopify payments to the suit your needs. So first of all, whether you are accepting credit cards or exploring alternative methods, Shopify Payments is designed for simplicity and flexibility. Customize it to match your business preferences. So usually here, you have different modes, for example, the payment providers, supported payment method, payment capture method, manual, and payment customizations. So exploring the alternative payment method, just in case the Shopify payment it is not enabled for you. This is of course obviously only available for specific countries. So if I choose here, select by payment method, and you go for Shopify payments, and this one is not available into your country, is actually not the end of the world. You can choose other providers. So let's say for example here that I go into the add payment method, I choose a provider, and this one should be showing me all the third-party payments provider that can be enabled into my actual country. For example, there's Stripe, there's the Bogus Gateway, there's Air Wallets, there is Cybersource, there's Type Payments. I could do a full tutorial of each one of them, but since we don't have a lot of time and we wanted to make this a little bit much more faster, let's try to locate for one of the most popular and really great supported and preferred for Shopify, which is Stripe. So choose the one that best suits for you, and then what you want to do is to test this after you enabled your store. So I choose for example Stripe. This one should be sending you directly into the third-party application. So what you want to do is to sign into this actual section or create a new account so you can get started to earn money. In this case, I do have a started with Stripe account. It's going to be asking me to sign into my actual account. So I choose to sign in. I create a new account, and there we go. So I have now the connection of Stripe. Now I support 3DS and the card rate is low as set by Stripe. I can hit into managed so I can see how is the testing and the troubleshooting. What I want to do is to make sure that I have the test your Stripe setup by simulating successful and failed transaction. Let's hit it now into enable the test mode. When the test mode is on, all the Stripe transactions are simulated. So I hit now into save, and there we go. So you can start by checking out to run a test order to experience the checkout process firsthand. This way you can identify and troubleshoot any potential issues before your customers do. And you can add more if you wanted to. I can go back into the payment section and you can go for add additional payment method. For example here, I choose by provider, and I clicked only into the search bar, and this one should be showing me what else I can add now that I have my first getaway third party. For example, I can add the checkout convert plus, I have Air Wallets, Klarna, I have Alipay, and I have so much more. So there you have it, guys. This is a complete and super simple tutorial on setting up Shopify payments. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more Shopify insights on your Tech Express channel here. Thank you for joining me today. Now go ahead, set up your payments, let the transaction begin. Stay tuned for more Shopify tutorials, guys, here in Tech Express. Hopefully we can all see you next time.